The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. For generations, its silhouette has been an unmistakable symbol of American airpower. A long-range, subsonic, jet-powered strategic bomber, it first took to the skies in the early 1950s. Designed to carry nuclear weapons, it was a deterrent force capable of reaching across continents. Nicknamed the Buff, it has adapted and endured through the decades, outlasting many aircraft designed to replace it. The B-52 is a testament to robust design and ingenuity. From Cold War standoffs to modern missions, the Stratofortress has etched its mark in military aviation. Its presence in the sky often alters adversaries' calculations, a flying giant that speaks volumes. Numerous upgrades have breathed new life into its aging frame, meeting modern warfare demands. These modifications ensure its continued relevance. As of 2025, the B-52 is on the cusp of another transformation with new engines for the 21st century. The heart of any aircraft is its engines, and for the venerable B-52, a new heart is precisely what has been prescribed. The Rolls-Royce F130 engine, a military derivative of the commercial BR-725 power plant, has been chosen for this monumental task. This selection marks a significant step forward, replacing the Pratt & Whitney TF-33 engines that have faithfully powered the Stratofortress since 1962. The TF-33S, marvels of their time, have served admirably, but the march of technology and the demands of modern efficiency necessitated a change. On December 13, 2024, the F130 engine successfully passed its Critical Design Review, or CDR. This rigorous assessment confirmed that the engine's design is mature and ready to proceed into the final phases of development, comprehensive testing, and ultimately, full-scale production. The successful CDR is more than just a technical achievement, it is a green light signaling confidence in the F130's ability to meet the stringent requirements of the B-52. The Air Force plans to acquire over 600 of these F130 engines, which will be produced at Rolls-Royce's modernized facility in Indianapolis. This new dawn for the Buff, powered by the F130, promises to extend its operational life considerably, ensuring that this iconic aircraft continues to be a formidable asset in the nation's defense arsenal. While the engine replacement program has seen significant progress with the F130's Critical Design Review, the broader B-52J modernization effort, managed by Boeing, has encountered its share of turbulence. The ambitious goal of upgrading this septuagenarian aircraft for decades more of service is a complex undertaking, fraught with challenges inherent in integrating modern technology onto a legacy platform. Unfortunately, the overall program is currently running approximately 3 years behind its original schedule, a delay that has drawn scrutiny and concern from various quarters. The initial operational capability for the upgraded B-52J, which includes not just the new engines but a host of other improvements, was once slated for 2030. However, current projections now place this milestone in 2033. According to the GAO, one of the primary reasons for the setback was an underestimation by the Air Force of the funding required for the re-engining project, known as the Commercial Engine Replacement Program. In response to these challenges, the Air Force initiated a cost reduction effort in July 2024 to steer the program back towards greater affordability and efficiency. The Rolls-Royce F130 engines selected for the B-52J represent a leap forward in power plant technology. Based on the proven BR-725 engine, the F130 brings modern engineering and efficiency to the B-52. The B-52 will retain its 8-engine configuration, with 4 pods each housing 2 F130s. The F130 engines are anticipated to be up to 30% more fuel efficient. Greater fuel efficiency extends operational reach, allowing longer flights without frequent refueling. The F130 engines deliver more power and thrust, improving takeoff performance and climb rate. Designed for reduced maintenance, the F130 operates its entire life cycle without traditional overhauls. These engines are a fundamental reimagining of the B-52's power, ensuring future capability and efficiency. Section 5, Beyond the Engines, a Bomber Reborn. The transformation of the B-52 into the B-52J model extends far beyond the highly anticipated engine replacement. It is a comprehensive modernization effort, a nose-to-tail upgrade designed to ensure this strategic asset remains at the cutting edge of capability for decades to come. A key element of this sweeping upgrade is the installation of new radar systems. The B-52J will receive advanced radars adapted from those used on some of the Air Force's premier fighter aircraft, such as Boeing's F-15 Eagle and FA-18 Super Hornet. This new radar will provide significantly improved detection capabilities, situational awareness, and targeting precision. Extensive internal rewiring is underway to support the new digital backbone of the aircraft, replacing aging analog systems with modern high-capacity data networks. This digital infrastructure is crucial for integrating advanced communication suites, new navigation systems, and future weapons capabilities seamlessly. The entire B-52J upgrade package, encompassing all these multifaceted improvements, is slated for its own critical design review in August 2025. Section 6. Forged in Fire, Tested in Sky, the F-130's Gauntlet. The new Rolls-Royce F130 engines must endure rigorous testing before integration into the B-52 fleet. This process validates performance, safety, and reliability under demanding conditions. Tests include ground, sea level, and high-altitude simulations. Initial dual-pod configuration tests began in March 2023 at NASA Stennis Space Center. Focus was on crosswind conditions and digital controls. Further sea-level testing occurred at Rolls-Royce's Indianapolis facilities. Altitude testing is set for February 2025 at Arnold Engineering Development Complex. The F-130 engines will face simulated high-altitude conditions to ensure power and reliability. Section 7. Guardians Against the Ice, Protecting a Vital Asset. Even the most advanced engines can be vulnerable to the harsh realities of the operational environment, and for the B-52, which often operates from bases in extremely cold climates, ice presents a significant threat. Between 2021 and 2023, before the full rollout of new protective measures, the legacy TF-33 engines suffered notable damage from ice debris. 10 engines incurred approximately $17 million in damages, a costly reminder of nature's power. To combat this persistent problem, a dedicated initiative was launched, focusing on developing effective engine protection against icing. This effort led to the testing and implementation of new trans-heeled pod covers. These covers are rugged, weatherproof solutions specifically designed to seal all engine ducts, inlets, and exhausts when the aircraft is on the ground. The new trans-heeled pod covers were successfully tested at Minot Air Force Base in North Dakota, a location well known for its severe winters, on July 11, 2023. Following these successful trials, a $1.2 million project was initiated to equip the entire B-52 fleet at Minot AFB with these vital protective systems. Section 8. Towards a Century of Service, the B-52's Extended Horizon. With the comprehensive upgrades, including the new Rolls-Royce F130 engines and advanced avionics, the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress is poised to achieve something truly remarkable in military aviation, potentially a century of continuous service. First flown in 1952, the B-52J, as the modernized version will be designated, is expected to remain a critical part of the U.S. Air Force's bomber fleet well into the 2050s. This extraordinary longevity speaks volumes about the foresight of its original design, and the continuous innovation that has kept it relevant through vastly different geopolitical eras. The prospect of an aircraft serving for 100 years is almost unprecedented, particularly for a complex combat platform like a strategic bomber. This extended horizon is not merely about keeping an old airframe flying, it's about ensuring it remains a highly capable and credible deterrent and strike asset in an increasingly sophisticated global security environment. The upgrades are designed to counter emerging threats and integrate seamlessly with future force structures, allowing the B-52 to operate effectively alongside 5th and 6th generation aircraft and systems. The B-52J will continue to perform a variety of missions, from strategic deterrence to close air support, showcasing its remarkable versatility even in its later years of service. Section 9. An Unwavering Sentinel. The B-52's Enduring Legacy. The comprehensive modernization of the B-52 Stratofortress, crowned by the integration of the new Rolls-Royce F130 engines, is far more than a simple life extension program. It is a profound reaffirmation of the aircraft's enduring strategic importance to the United States Air Force and the nation's defense posture. These upgrades are meticulously designed to ensure that this iconic bomber, already a legend, remains a formidable and reliable sentinel in an ever-evolving global landscape. The new engines, advanced radar systems, modernized communications, and digital backbone collectively transform the B-52J into a platform ready to meet the challenges of the mid-21st century. As the B-52J prepares to fly towards a potential century of service, it does so not as a relic of a bygone era, but as a revitalized and highly capable warrior, an unwavering sentinel continuing its long vigil in the skies.